Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to be diving into the colorful world of beads by doing an unboxing, and it's going to be one of my favorite boxes ever, Didi's Deluxe Bead Box for the month of July, and I can hardly wait. Now before we get started, I'd like to talk about the little giveaway that I'm going to be doing. I'm reaching 20,000 subscribers and I'm so excited about that. I just need another 30 subscribers and I'll reach my milestone. But anyway guys, I did mention it in my previous video that I'm going to be doing a giveaway as a thank you for your support and for following me on this channel all this time. I really do appreciate it. So I'm going to be drawing 3 names and each winner is going to win a set of magic rods, and it's going to be the 12-inch size. And if you don't know what the magic rods are, you'll have to watch some of my previous videos because I use them all the time in my tutorials. But anyway guys, if you want to participate, all you have to do is go watch that tutorial, the one where I made the starfish necklace and cowrie shell necklace, and just leave a comment on that video. I'm going to be drawing a name from the list of commenters in that video. So if you want to join, you have to leave a comment, and you don't have to say very much. You can just say hello and that's it. The other condition is that you have to be a subscriber. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please think about doing so. I will be checking that when I draw the names. And I did mention that I was going to announce the winners in the next video, but I wanted to give you some more time because I published that video a couple of days ago and that's not enough time. So please come back to this channel and check for that. But anyway guys, I'm so excited about today's unboxing. If you're not familiar with Didi's Deluxe Bead Box, I'll leave some information down below in the description section of this video, along with a link to the website and a coupon code in case you're interested. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. And here we have Didi's Deluxe Bead Box for the month of July, and I can hardly wait to open it. Let's go ahead and do that. It always comes nicely wrapped in tissue with a very nice sticker. And the name of this box is What Am I? That's interesting. Let's see what it says. It says, I'm one of the fastest insects in the world, capable of flying at speeds up to 60 miles per hour. I'm delicate and known for my aerial acrobatics and vibrant colors. I'm carnivorous with a unique hunting technique and catch my prey using my strong jaws. Can you guess what I am without looking at the contents? I have no idea. I don't think I know of any insects that fly 60 miles per hour. So now I'm very intrigued and I can't wait to see what the insect is. Let me take a peek. I see some dragonflies. I had no idea dragonflies were carnivorous. And oh my goodness, what a beautiful palette. But anyways, you can see all the contents are listed. And they always do a good job of listing the length of the strands and the number of pieces per strand. And I see they have question marks beside the Inspired by Checks designer strand. Let me go ahead and pull the items out. And look at all these beautiful colors, guys. My favorite color too. I love purple. And we have these beautiful pearl beads. And I see some fuchsia as well. And I can't wait to look at each item. So let me go ahead and get organized and I'll be right back. And here are all the strands, and oh my goodness, these are so gorgeous. I keep telling myself they're not going to be able to top it, but they do every single time. But this one's absolutely amazing. I love the theme, and I love these colors. And I've always loved dragonflies. I have a couple of sun catchers in my kitchen that are dragonflies. But I learned something new today. They fly very fast, they're carnivorous, and they have strong jaws for catching prey. So I'm not sure if my opinion of them has changed, but they are beautiful insects, that's for sure. But anyway, let's take a look at this beautiful strand. I love the Inspired by Checks strands. Look at this, guys. Look how pretty these are. Oh my gosh. These are so gorgeous. I love these. We have a metal spacer bead at the end, and then we have this flower bead and 2 flat disc beads, spacer beads. And then we have this one here. This one's pretty. It has a little flower design. How cute is that? We have a cube bead in this fuchsia color. We do have some bead caps, as you can see. And I love this one. Look at this. This one's actually transparent. Oh my gosh. How gorgeous is that? Let me put something white behind it so you can see how transparent it is. It almost looks blue. Isn't that beautiful? It's like a purplish blue color. Actually, I think the glass is blue, then it has a coating on top that's purple. Very pretty. I love these beautiful dragonfly wing beads. Aren't they gorgeous? And this one is really, really adorable. Look at that. The bead is a milky purplish color, and then it has that gold wash on that dragonfly design. And there's another one on the other side. And then on this side is a repeat of what was on the right side. So you get 2 sets of each bead, which means you can definitely make earrings if you wanted to. I absolutely love that strand. It's so pretty. Let's take a look at these gemstones. These are jade beads, and they're listed as semi-precious stones. The color is light grape, and they measure 8 millimeters in size. And this is a 15-inch strand, so that's a super long strand. And you get approximately 48 beads. Aren't these gorgeous? Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Look at that. Look how pretty these are. I love jade beads because they're semi-translucent, and these have quite a bit of variation in the colors. Some are really pale and some are a little bit darker. Very, very nice. And it's so nice that we get so many of them. I'm intrigued by this strand here. These are 6 millimeters in size, and these are Galaxy Tiger Eye beads. And honestly, guys, I've never seen a purple tiger eye bead. This is the first time I'm seeing these. And look how that tiger eye effect reflects the light as I turn the beads. What a beautiful strand this is. But anyway, this strand is 7.5 inches long, and there are approximately 30 pieces. Very, very nice. And look at this. Oh my goodness. These are so gorgeous. Wow. I am blown away by these beads. Look at these, guys. Look how pretty these are. Oh my goodness. These are called titanium coated faceted druzy beads, and the color is pansy purple. And look at that druzy effect on this one. Oh my gosh, that's so beautiful. They're absolutely stunning. They really are. I really love these beads. This is a 5-inch strand, and these are 8 millimeters in size, and there are 15 pieces in this strand. I'm definitely going to have to work these into some kind of design. I just love all the colors reflecting on the facets. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. And here we have a touch of ivory. These are glass pearl beads. They're listed as twisted ivory vintage glass pearl beads, and they measure 6 by 5 millimeters. And this is a 9-inch strand, and we get approximately 25 pieces. I really love the shape of these beads. Very different, very unique. I'm already getting some ideas about what I'm going to be doing. But that could change. Sometimes I'll look at beads and I'll get some ideas right away, and then after a few days, I come up with other things. Now this strand is absolutely gorgeous, guys. Look at this. First of all, I love this shape rondelle. They're kind of flat on the sides, which makes them look very, very attractive. Whenever I go to a gem show, I always look for this type of rondelle. They're not as common as the other type of rondelles. But anyway, these measure 8 by 4 millimeters. And as you can see, there's a mix of colors. We have some purple ones, some pink ones, some clear ones, peach colored ones. But they all coordinate very nicely together. We even have some gray ones. Look at that. But look how nice they look together. And of course, they coordinate perfectly with the rest of the beads. The best thing about these rondelles, though, is the beautiful faceting and the way it reflects light. Very, very nice. I love strands that have multiple colors like that. And here we have a pop of green. These are very pretty as well. These are faceted round crystals. They measure 4 millimeters in size, and the color is Mystic Chartreuse. And whenever I see the word mystic, I know the beads are going to have a beautiful coating, and these certainly do. Look at that. The mystic coating always reflects a lot of colors, and it's very, very sparkly. But anyway, this is a 15-inch strand, so there are tons of beads to play with. Very, very nice. And let's take a look at these metal ones. These are actually hematite beads. I guess hematite isn't exactly a metal. It's kind of a compound mineral or an iron ore of some kind. But anyway, these discs are actually wavy, which I really love. I love this shape. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but they are wavy. And they measure 8 millimeters in size. And this strand is 5.5 inches long, and there are 75 pieces. But the best thing about these beads is the shine. They're so shiny and so pretty. I really love that. And every time I open up one of Didi's Deluxe Bead boxes, I keep saying to myself, this is my favorite. But every time I do, the next month's box comes out, and then that one becomes my favorite. I just adore all of their collections. They do a beautiful job of coordinating the colors, as you can see, and there's tons of variation. Different shapes, different sizes. Let me get some more items. Here are the next 3 items, and each one is very unique, as you can see. Let's take a look at these barrel beads. I'm going to thread them on one of my rods. These measure 18 by 10 millimeters, and the color is metallic rainbow, and you can see why. They have a gorgeous rainbow colored coating all the way around the bead. Look at that. There are so many colors on this coating. I'm seeing purple, I'm seeing orange, I'm seeing green, I'm seeing gold, I'm seeing blue. There are tons of colors, guys. That's why the color is called rainbow. How beautiful. And I think these are glass beads. I don't think they're ceramic beads. They have a very unusual swirly design, as you can see. I think these are really beautiful. They really are. Very unusual. And these are unusual as well. Let me thread these on my rod as well. They're drilled diagonally, as you can see. That's one of the reasons I like to thread beads on these rods, so you can see how they're drilled. But anyway, there's a total of 4, as you can see. And these are actually acrylic beads. So these would be perfect for earrings because they're lightweight. I can totally see some earrings using these beads. I love the shape. And as you can see, they're fuchsia, but they have this gold drizzled effect on top. I also see a few speckles of purple. Aren't these adorable? Look at that. Look how nice they look as I turn the bead. I'm definitely making earrings with these. And these would make great earrings as well. These are called chiffon earring tassels, and they look like little flowers. The color is lavender, and each one has a little crystal in the middle, as you can see. I've never seen these kinds of tassels before. Let me just put one down and show you. As you can see, there are 3 little sections, and there's a loop in the back of each one, and they're all connected to each other. Isn't that cute? I really love that. So they would hang like this. You could thread these on another head pin and have them at the bottom of an earring. I'm going to have to play around with these. I'm sure I'll come up with something. They're very, very pretty and very lightweight as well. And they look very whimsical. Let me get some more items. And here are the last 5 items. And as you can see, these are all metals, but we have 3 different colors. That's another thing I love about Didi's Deluxe Bead boxes. They usually give you a couple of different colored metals. And in this case, there are 3 different colors. We have silver, we have brass, and we have gold. How cool is that? This one here is very different. It's a very pretty slider connector. It measures 30 by 35 millimeters. And as you can see, it has a dragonfly design. And I guess it's designed to be put on leather or any other material that's wide. And I'm saying that because it's listed as a slider bead. Plus these loops are pretty big. Let me show you the back. There's the back. I can totally see using this with some flat leather cord. I'm not sure if that's what I'll do, but that's just an idea. I'm definitely gonna have to think about it. This is so pretty. Let's take a look at these. These are listed as connectors as well, and they measure 20 millimeters across. And as you can see, they're dragonfly wings. How adorable is that? Now the description says there's 6 of them, but I actually got 8 of them. I'm not sure if it's a typo, and maybe your box will have 6, I'm not sure. But anyway, I'm glad that I got 8 of them. These are gonna look very pretty on a necklace. And of course, they're perfect for earrings. I really like these. Let's take a look at these little charms. These are so cute. They measure 18 by 14 millimeters, and it looks like they have a little bit of purple enamel on the wings. Let me show you the back. There's the back. I like that they have nice big loops as well. Aren't these cute? They're so cute. I'm getting some inspiration for a bracelet using those faceted crystal rondelles and one of these charms. Very pretty. And here we have some high quality ear wires. They're 14 karat gold plated, and there are 2 different kinds, as you can see. So if you're very sensitive to base metals, you're gonna love these. These are usually tolerated quite well by people with sensitive skin. I'm one of them. It's not that I have sensitive skin, it's more that I'm allergic to base metals. Whenever I wear ear wires that are base metal, I break out in a terrible rash. But anyway, these are really, really nice, and I'm glad that there are 2 kinds. Let's take a look at this pretty toggle clasp. Look how cute that is. Each piece has a little dragonfly. Isn't that adorable? Oh my gosh. I love the size too. It's not too big and not too small. It's the perfect size for a bracelet or maybe a dainty necklace. I have some ideas in mind about what I'm going to be making, and I'm definitely going to be using this toggle clasp. Very, very nice. The whole collection is gorgeous. Let me bring out everything and I'll lay it out on my board, and we'll take one more look at the whole collection. Well, here's the full collection, and I'm absolutely blown away by all these gorgeous beads. And I really don't know which one's my favorite because I love all of them. Of course, I love the designer strand. I usually end up using most of the beads on that strand whenever I design anything. And I'm not joking, guys, when I tell you that I love every single one of these beads. I love the jade, I love the tiger eye in that purple color. I love the faceted druzies, and I love these faceted rondelles. I have several ideas floating through my head already, but as always, I'll probably just lay the beads out on a board and look at them for a couple of days. It's going to be super easy for me to come up with something. Like I said, I already have a couple of ideas. It's easy to find inspiration when you have so many beads to choose from. We have lots of sizes, lots of shapes, different finishes, and the coating on these beads is out of this world. And if you don't subscribe to this box, you should go check out Didi's online bead store because they have an amazing inventory, and sometimes they do sell extras from this box. So if you missed out on this box and you see something you like, you could always go to the store and see if it's available. So anyway, guys, let me put these beads away and I'll come back and say goodbye. I'm still in shock over how beautiful those beads were. Oh my goodness. I am so impressed with Didi's Deluxe Bead box lately. They've had some gorgeous boxes. There were so many beautiful strands in this month's box. I can't wait to sit down and play with those beads. So I want you to come back and check my channel for future tutorials using those beads. Thank you so much for watching. I'm looking forward to seeing you again. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye.